Hey, welcome to Mending with Tanya. It's your girl, Tanya. I am so happy and grateful this morning. Thank you all for joining us for another video. Whew, Lord, I just thank you. Thank you for new grace, new mercy, new love, new kindness. Thank you, Father, for a new day. Most of all, thank you because we are alive and we're able to share this moment. So I hope everybody's doing well and everything is going well in your family. Blessings from my family to yours. It's just gonna make me a cup of tea here because, it's allergy season. So I, woke up a little bit. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take care of that real quick before I head to the gym. I'm actually gonna have a pre-workout meal, so I'm gonna share that with you as well. What I eat before I go work out. Today we're gonna do a little cardio and possibly some lower body workout, legs. I'm really working on strengthening and conditioning my legs. And for those who don't know, I do a high protein, low carb lifestyle. I do that because I am focusing on building muscle and losing fat, okay? So that's my choice, and that's where I am doing what I'm doing to transform my body and get it to where I would like it to be. Thank you all for joining us. I know you had the privilege of seeing my day out. Oh my God, when I went to the park, it was so serene, so beautiful. I enjoyed this springtime of year. The weather's just perfect. I went through the week, so it wasn't a whole lot of people out, but there was traffic, of course, but it wasn't a lot of traffic. So I was able to really enjoy the grounds. The waterfalls were magnificent. And I enjoy those moments. That's me all day long. Anything that's relaxing, serene. Not only that, it gave me an opportunity to connect and commune with the earth and God. I did some talking to God out there while I was there. Now, I love those moments, like I said. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm going to enjoy this cup of tea. And when I get back, I'll be sharing with you my pre-workout meal. All right? All right. Okay, we are back. Let's see. So this morning, before we head to workout, we're gonna have a pre-workout meal. So I normally would have this and wait about 15 to 20 minutes before I head to the gym to work out. So I'm gonna share with you what I have for morning. And it's something that I had to get used to. I'm not really a yogurt person, but I do wanna start off my first meal having a high protein amount. And I try to stay with the same thing because I know exactly what those amounts are. So I try to start off with about 50 grams of protein if I can, okay? So we're starting off with this high protein yogurt by Ocas. It has 20 grams of protein, 9 essential amino acids. There you go. So it's the Pro, and today we're having the strawberry flavor. So I didn't put any fresh strawberries in here because it already has a strawberry flavor. And I really try, I don't put fresh fruit in my yogurt when I make the morning yogurt because like I said, it's more high protein, less sugar as possible. So I'm making a mess, but don't worry about it. So we're gonna go ahead and put the yogurt in the bowl like I normally do. And this is more of a Greek yogurt, so it's really thick and rich and creamy. It's really good. Really good. I like this better than just regular yogurt, to be honest. I know some people are different because I think my daughter likes regular yogurt better, but I like this one better. I like the consistency better. I'll put it like that. Okay, so we have that, and that's 20 grams. So I'm also gonna put in some pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are 9 grams of protein per serving. So we're gonna put that in. So that'll be almost 30 grams right there. 20, almost 30, okay? So, now that I'm just gonna estimate on this because I done messed up the spoon. So we'll go like this. Yeah. So we have that. And then we're gonna add our hemp seeds. Now the hemp hearts, I'm sorry, they are 9 grams per serving. So one serving is about 3 tablespoons. So I wanna get this right. So I'm actually gonna open my dishwasher and grab a tablespoon. we got 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 of those. Okay, so that's another 9. So we're 20, 38. Okay, so now we're adding the granola. The granola is 8 grams of protein. So we're right about 45, I would say. So we're gonna put the granola in there. And believe it or not, y'all, this is really, really good. And look, not only will we have a full pack of protein, but what about that fiber? Really good amount of fiber in here with the seeds, the hemp, and the granola. It sets the mold for the day, okay? So I'm gonna eat this. We're right about 45. So hold on one moment. Whenever I am coming up short, this gets me through. This is mild Gouda, just 1 serving, and it's 5 grams of protein. So 45 in the bowl, 5 grams. We got 50 grams of protein that we're knocking out in the very first meal of the day. So my overall goal, just so you know, protein is 100 grams per day. And sometimes I make it and sometimes I don't, but that's my goal and that's where I aim to reach every day. So that is what I consider our pre-workout meal. We're gonna have the bowl and the cheese and drink this water. And that's gonna be our first meal of the day. See you at the gym.